Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's with beautiful spring accent bow kits that are going to be up on shopdeeslouisville.com. We do these every season. I know you've seen me make it 100 times, but I'm going to show you how to make one more for spring and then show you the ones that are going to be available on the website. There are still a few up there in the winter if you are looking for something a little bit different, but stay tuned. We will be adding more of these every season as we go on. We'll have some for summer, all different kinds, but the first three we're putting up are going to be number one right here. It's really pretty. It's got a greenery stem, but it's got daisies, some berries, and then I love the little hydrangea that we put in the middle of the bow. We've paired it with a burlap dot and a green fern ribbon that's really nice looking. That's great all year. You could put that on there and leave it. Next up, we have number two. It's the same kind of thing. It's got a lamb's ear pick on it with eucalyptus. It's kind of got a gray cast to it though, so if your home's really gray and neutral, this one would be pretty. It's spring accent bow number two. We have paired that with a green and gray buffalo check, as well as this really nice leaf print as well. That's really pretty. That's going to be up there. And number three is going to be super springy, super summery. You can put this up, leave it up. It's just going to add a nice pop of color, and it's using this coral stem that also has pink and yellow with the greenery. What you're going to do first is just fluff it out like we normally do. And how I've done on these, I pull a little to the top. So you're going to want to bring a little bit towards the top. And then you're going to want to fluff the rest of it out. You're going to want to chop the end of the stem off so it doesn't stick up. And now you're ready to add your ribbon. So the reason we do these every year is because they are not just great on lanterns. They're also great if you want to add something special to maybe a tobacco basket you have, or you want to tuck them into your bookcases all over your home. You can grab 3 or 4 of them and just make everything coordinate in one room. All we do is take our first wider ribbon that's 2.5 inches. You're going to cut yourself a little piece, cut those ends, and then you're going to easily make loops out of the smaller 1.5 inch ribbon. I chose this really nice coral dot. You're just going to make a couple loops, super simple, the same way we do it on all of our kits. Then you're going to take your wire. All you have to do is tie it right there in the middle and then tie it onto your stem. So I'm going to go right behind the main large coral flower. I'm going to twist it on. Let's see, I'm going to move this one out of the way so you can kind of see. I'll just twist it on here. This one's so bright and cheery. It'd be really nice to add maybe to a wreath you already have that needs to be freshened up. So I've got those little stems I fluffed towards the top up there. I have a couple tails I still need to cut. And then fluff out, bring a little more of the floral to the front. How pretty is that? This is going to be accent bow number 3 for spring, up on the spring tab, up on shopdeeslouisville.com. Go grab them now, add them to an order if you're getting a wreath kit. These are a perfect thing to get in addition just to stick in your home for spring. Check it out.